Hello everyone! Today we will learn about Python math operations. In this case, variable a equals 9 and variable b equals 3. In Python, we look at the right side first. In this case, we do a plus b, which is 12. So the value of add now is 12. Because we save the new value on the left variable. Now we can print it and it is 12, just like if you used a calculator. Now we can use this line of code, which will work for subtraction. Once again, we perform the equation first on the right. We can do 9 minus 3, which is 6. So you save the value into the left variable. So now sub equals 6. So if we print that, a minus b equals 6. We can also do it for multiplication. In this case, we also would do the right side first. So 9 times 3 equals 27. So we save that value into the left variable. So now multi equals 27. So when we print, it out comes 27. Another example is that we can do it for division. In this case, div equals a divided by b. We solve the right side first, which is 9 divided by 3. Which would be 3. So we save the value 3 in the left variable div. And then when we print it, we print 3. We can also do it for multi-digit multiplication. In this equation, we have a list 1, 2, and 3. We start with multiplication as 1. We can run the code. Since each time we do the right side first. On the first time, mult equals 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. So mul still equals 1. We do it again. Mul times second, I equals 2. So mul equals 2 times 1, or also known as mul times 2, which is 2. Third, we do I equals 3, and then mul equals mul times 3, which the value of mul is now 2. So now 2 times 3 equals 6. So if we print this line of code, we will get 6. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.